Now we are going to learn a peculiar property of the water, that is called as anomalous expansion of water. Here the peculiar property anomalous expansion of water that can be learnt by drawing the curve. Here look at the graph. In x-axis the temperature is taken, in y-axis volume of 1 kg of water is taken. The volume of 1 kg of water, it is measured in terms of centimeter cube. Here first we are going to reduce the temperature of the water. Let us imagine the initial temperature of water is 10 degrees Celsius. When the initial temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, here look at the volume. This is the corresponding volume. Are you clear? So when the temperature, if it is reduced from 10 degrees Celsius to 9 degrees Celsius, what happens? Temperature decreases. When temperature is decreased, volume also decreases. Volume decreases means which one takes place? Contraction takes place. Are you clear? Contraction. Are you clear? When the temperature is reduced, volume is decreased. Therefore, contraction takes place. That is the usual behavior of all the objects. When the temperature is further reduced from 9 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, again volume decreases, contraction takes place. When the temperature is reduced from 8 degrees Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius, again what happens? Temperature is reduced, volume also reduced. Therefore, the plotting that should be done in this direction, all the values are plotted. Now, the temperature reaches 4 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is reduced to 4 degrees Celsius, what happens? The volume of 1 kg of water becomes how much? 1000 kg, exactly 1000 centimeter cube. Look at the value at 4 degrees Celsius, the volume of the water becomes 1000. That one will be the lowest value. So in this 4 degrees Celsius, the volume becomes, the volume of water becomes the least value. It attains the least value. Make a note. At 4 degrees Celsius, the volume of water becomes the least value. That is equal to how much? 1000 centimeter cube. Now only you are going to learn about the anomalous expansion of water. When the water is cooled, exactly less than 4 degrees Celsius, now it is to be cooled from 4 degrees Celsius to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 0. When it is cooled, instead of the decrease in volume, volume starts increasing. That is, the water, it starts expanding. Are you clear? It starts expanding means volume is increasing. So if it is cooled from 4 degrees Celsius to 3 degrees Celsius, instead of contraction, it starts expands. Therefore, volume increases. If it is further cooled from 3 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius, still the volume increases. If it is cooled from 2 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius, still the volume becomes greater. When it reaches 0 degrees Celsius, what will happen? That water, that one becomes ice. That water, that one becomes ice cube, ice. Are you clear? It reaches the solid state. Make a note. Right from 10 degrees Celsius up to 1 degree Celsius, the clear water will be in liquid state. Make a note. At all temperature, water will be in liquid state. When it reaches this 0 degree Celsius, that water is turned into ice. But what happens? Its volume increases and it reaches this value. Are you clear? When volume increases, what will happen? Density will decrease. When volume increases, density will decrease, because what is the formula for density? Density is equal to mass per volume. When volume increases, density will decrease.